Welcome to my class. I am Teacher Edging. How about you? What is your name? Okay, nice to meet you. And today we are going to sing. Okay, listen to teacher first and later we will sing together. Are you ready? Here is the song. The title of the song is Hello, how are you? Okay, listen first. Hello, how are you? I'm glad to be with you. And you. La 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 la. One more time. Hello, how are you? I'm glad to be with you. And you. La 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 la. Okay, very good. And now it's time for us to sing together. Okay, are you ready to amuse? Hello, how are you? I'm glad to be with you. And you. La 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 Hello, how are you? I'm glad to be with you. And you. La 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 la. Very good, because you sing with me. I will give you a candy. Yay! Okay, now it's time for us to learn new words. Okay, you're going to listen to teacher and follow. Okay, here we are. Ooh, your lesson today is about letter. What letter is that? What letter is this? Okay, it's letter A. Can you say A? Today, you are going to learn about the sound of short A. Here we are. The sound of short A is A. Can you say A? One more time. A. Okay, now let's learn words about the sound of short A. Ah. Here we are. Ooh, what can you see in the picture? Is that a dog? Is that a pig? Okay, let's see what is that. But first, let's learn the sound of the letter. The short A sound is very good. It's A. And the letter M. Okay, the sound of M is M. Okay, now let's A and be together. Look. A is equal to am. Can you say that? Am. Go. Okay, very good. Don't forget that it's am. Here we are. To the next. Class am. Okay, one more. Class am. Okay, it's a ram. Can you say again? Ram. One more. It's ram, ram, ram. Okay, that's it. This is a ram. Okay, look, the ram has a toy. Okay, can you say again the word ram? Very good. Here we are to the next page. Okay, here you are going to listen, point, and repeat. Okay? Here, number one. Look, what is this again? Okay, it's a ram. Can you say that? Ram. Okay, don't forget that. Ram. Okay, how about number two? It's yummy. I love it. Okay, this is ch 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 ch. Okay, very good. The sound of tree is ch and plus is jam. Good job. Okay, here. How about this number three? What is this? Okay, what is the sound of Y? Okay, you say yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, here it's yeah plus am. One more. Yeah plus am. Yeah plus am. What's that? You can do it. Yeah plus am. It's a yam. Very good. It's yam. How about the fourth picture? The last picture. What is this? Okay, look at the letter. The first letter is letter D. Okay, it's letter D. The sound of D is D, D, D. Okay, here. D plus am. What's that? Listen. D plus am. D, am. It's dam. Okay, can you say again? Dam. Dam. Okay, that is dam. Can we repeat again all the words that you learned? Number one. Okay, two. Okay. Ram. Ram. Number two. Jam. Jam. Number three. Yum. Yum. Very good. And the last is tam. Tam. Okay, good job because you read it and you follow teacher. I will give you a cupcake. Wow. will give you cupcake. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, next. Let's go to the next page. Okay, because you read the words from the previous page, and now you are going to read and write. Are you ready? Okay, here we are. Number one is, what's that? What is number one? Okay, here is the answer. Look at the answer. It's sorry. It's ram. Very good. It's ram. Okay, let's write again the word ram. R-A-M. Ram. Very good. How about number two? What is that? What is that? Okay, just wait. Because number one is ram, we will remove the word ram here. Okay, how about number two? What is that? You will choose from the words inside the box. Is it yum? Is it ant? Is it dam? Is it jam? Or is it a cat? What is that? Okay. Okay, it's a dam. Very good. Okay, can you write the word dam? Let's write it. D-A-M. Dam. Very good. How about number three? It is okay, it is yam. Y-A-M. Can you say again? Yam. Very good. How about number four? It's delicious. It's good job. It's jam. J-A-M. Yes, it's jam, jam, and yam. Okay, can you read again all the words? Okay, ram, jam, yam, jam. Okay, let's have a chant. Ram, jam, yam, jam. Ram, jam, yam, jam. Okay, one more. Go. Ram, jam, yam, jam. One more. Ram, jam, yam, jam. Very good. Okay, because he answered that, I will give you a pizza. Yay! Yum, yum, yum. Very good. Okay. So you learned a lot of words today. Okay. Don't forget that. But before we close our class, let's read more. Okay. What is this again? What is this again? Ram. Okay, I'll change the color. What is this again? Say ram. Very good, ram. How about this one? Very good, it's a dam. How about the third picture? What is this? Yes, it's yam. And the last picture is jam. Good job. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. But before that, because you are good and you did a great job, and look what you got. You got a candy, you got a cupcake, and you got a pizza. Because of that, I will give you a very good time. Yay! Very good, very good. So, thank you for your time and don't forget all the words that you learned today. Bye-bye!